How to install Caldera Dock on Ubuntu. Go to the installation file you downloaded from Workspace. Right-click on it and then, click on Open with Other Application. The Ubuntu installation wizard will appear. Select Software Install. Wait a few seconds for the installation files to load, and then click Install. Then, you will be asked to authenticate yourself. The installation will now be carried out. Once the installation is finished, you can look for Caldera Dock in your applications. Click on the icon and you are ready to use Caldera Dock on your computer.